Are you applying for a passport? Follow these simple steps for a smooth process. Submit the application via the official website passportindia.gov.in or M-Passport Seva mobile app. Beware of fake websites and mobile apps. Use your own mobile and email address. When in doubt, apply under the normal scheme only. Ensure personal and family details are exactly the same in all documents. Don't rely on third parties or agents who may charge commissions and misuse your documents or information. Don't book an appointment under the Tatkal scheme unless and until you have read and understood the information and undertaking. As a courtesy to other applicants, don't waste the appointments. And please, help us to help you. Do share this video with others.